Today, we will know about cryptocurrency. Hi, everybody. If you're looking to become a full-time data scientist and artificial intelligence (AI) expert from scratch, then you are at the right place. Before diving into details, let's get to know what cryptocurrency actually is. Cryptocurrency is any form of currency that exists digitally or virtually and uses cryptography to secure transactions. Cryptocurrencies don't have a central issuing or regulating authority. Instead, it uses a decentralized system to record transactions and issue new units. Examples of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin. Founded in 2009, Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency and is still the most commonly traded. The currency was developed by Satoshi Nakamoto, widely believed to be a pseudonym for an individual or group of people whose precise identity remains unknown. Backdoors allow remote access. Ethereum. Developed in 2015, Ethereum is a blockchain platform with its own cryptocurrency called Ether, ETH, or Ethereum. It is the most popular cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. LITECOIN. This currency is most similar to Bitcoin but has moved more quickly to develop new innovations, including faster payments and processes to allow more transactions. Ripple. Ripple is a distributed ledger system that was founded in 2012. Ripple can be used to track different kinds of transactions, not just cryptocurrency. The company behind it has worked with various banks and financial institutions. Non-Bitcoin cryptocurrencies are collectively known as altcoins to distinguish them from the original. Now, let's have a glance at how cryptocurrency actually works. How does cryptocurrency work? The basic idea is that cryptocurrencies operate on software networks where myriad computers run separate copies of the same program. The computers are linked, but no single computer controls the network. These computer networks have two main functions. One is to process transactions and the other is to maintain the database that records and stores those transactions. In general, transactions are batched into blocks which are then connected in chronological order in a long and unbroken chain. This is why the software transformed is known as blockchain. Now you must be wondering, what's the use of currency if it is digital? Well, we are going to acknowledge exactly the same thing. What can you buy with cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency has proved itself to be a leading global digital currency within the increasing gap of time. In these times, it is possible to buy a wide variety of products from e-commerce websites using crypto. Here are some examples: technology and e-commerce site. Several companies that sell tech products accept crypto on their websites, such as Newegg.com, AT&T, and Microsoft. Overstock, an e-commerce platform, was among the first sites to accept Bitcoin. Shopify, Rakuten, and Home Depot also accept it. Luxury goods. Some luxury retailers accept crypto as a form of payment. For example, online luxury retailer BitDeals offers Rolex, Patek Philippe, and other high-end watches in return for Bitcoin. Cars. Some car dealers, from mass-market brands to high-end luxury dealers, already accept cryptocurrency as payment. Insurance. In April 2021, Swiss insurer AXA announced that it had begun accepting Bitcoin as a mode of payment for all its lines of insurance except life insurance due to regulatory issues. Premier Shield Insurance, which sells home and auto insurance policies in the US, also accepts Bitcoin for premium payments. Let's talk about advantages and disadvantages of cryptocurrency. Advantages of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies represent a new, decentralized paradigm for money. In this system, centralized intermediaries such as banks and monetary institutions are not necessary to enforce trust and police transactions between two parties. Thus, a system with cryptocurrencies eliminates the possibility of a single point of failure, such as a large bank setting off a cascade of crises around the world, such as the one that was triggered in 2008 by the failure of institutions in the United States. Cryptocurrencies promise to make it easier to transfer funds directly between two parties without the need for a trusted third party like a bank or a credit card company. Such decentralized transfers are secured by the use of public keys and private keys and different forms of incentive systems, such as proof of work or proof of stake. Cryptocurrency investments can generate profits. Cryptocurrency markets have skyrocketed in value over the past decade, at one point reaching almost $2 trillion. Disadvantages of cryptocurrency. Though they claim to be an anonymous form of transaction, cryptocurrencies are actually pseudonymous. They leave a digital trail that agencies such as the Federal Bureau of Investigation (FBI) can decipher. This opens up possibilities of governments or federal authorities tracking the financial transactions of ordinary citizens. Cryptocurrencies have become a popular tool with criminals for nefarious activities such as money laundering and illicit purchases. The case of Dread Pirate Roberts, who ran a marketplace to sell drugs on the dark web, is already well known. Cryptocurrencies have also become a favorite of hackers who use them for ransomware activities. Though cryptocurrency blockchains are highly secure, other crypto repositories, such as exchanges and wallets, can be hacked. Many cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets have been hacked over the years, sometimes resulting in millions of dollars worth of coins stolen. If you're interested in learning more about starting a machine learning and AI career, then be sure to check out our courses at the first link in the description. For further involvement, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos helping you to start your data science and AI career and more. Check out this playlist of our data science and machine learning lessons and see you in the next video. Take care.